Hello everybody!
Welcome to my video. It's me, Part the Fork, as you can tell, because it's my channel. So today, if y'all have been wanting this, I know that one person has, because he, I'll set a timestamp right here to go to whenever, I'm done with this, but so, I was up late last night, and I get a, random Discord ping that somebody mentioned me, and they're asking, how do you play Space Flight Simulator? And I was like, yeah, sure, and I didn't really get, a good description, because you can't really text how to play Space Flight Simulator. So, I thought, I've never done a video, so I'm gonna do a video on a Space Flight Simulator tutorial. So, let's get into the video.
I feel it in my bones, the way I hit the lows. Every day felt like a roller coaster. Consumed by all the noise, I had to make a choice. Threw my demons over my shoulder. I got my blood on fire. I got my blood on fire. I've been waiting for this all my life. Good thing never come to those who wait in line. I've been breaking these walls in my mind, and woo, they're breaking down. I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the. I had a change of view, so packed a parachute and started